Hello guys, right, this is going to be a quick video, this one, because all I want to make you aware of is something that I like to watch for when we get a 3-candle reversal. So we've got a 3-candle reversal here to the long side. That's the penultimate, that's the ultimate low, and this is the reversal up, and this is the pullback. Pullback to test old resistance broken, which we could draw on the high of that candle there. And obviously we've got the resistance that we closed through as well, so resistance being tested as support. Now what I've drawn this line on the high of this candle here because I don't really want to be entering into that resistance or that support there. So what ideally the perfect setup for me for this entry, safest entry, would be through that level there. So this isn't always the case, of course, which is why every trade is different. But what I don't want to be is trading into that, which is why I've bought it up. If there had been a bigger gap, quite often you have this candle would be bigger, then that's fine. We've got room to trade into it. Or if we had closed through here, or this was lower, then once again, I would still want to break this high, but I would be happier at breaking through the close of that candle. You know, if the close was down here, say for example, so, and this was a wick. So just something I thought I'd mention. I want to see this close through here, and then I think it's got a long way to go if it's going to go long, but if this is this could just as easily be a 1, 2, 3 lower high starting now, and it could go down. That's why we never trade the breaks, or very rarely, only when, as I've said before, like a London Open or Frankfurt Open or whatever, when there's absolute massive volatility, everyone's watching the price. But if we get through there, and potentially we would have a pullback anyway, a small one, maybe a wick or something, close through, you know, poke up halfway without testing that, wick down, the perfect world, a close about there, and then we've still got a 50 or 60 pip move up to the high of the Asian session, you know. So previous trade got stopped out at break even. I don't know why I do it, you know. I've thrown 20% down. It so rarely goes and carries on for me. I guess that must be a swing trader thing, but I'm tempted just to not bother and just take the full amount at where I should at scalping. But this is only a demo account, of course. I'm still learning my way around cryptos. What I am liking a lot about cryptos is that you haven't got all the stuff you have to think about when you're trading the weekday markets. You know, news, obviously you've got news events, but not financial news really. Obviously this crypto stuff has huge buyers and sellers and whatever, whale movements and so on and so forth. So, but I try not to think about those too much, and especially if I'm scalping. I mean, this move, I call myself a scalper, I go 5 or 6 pips. This move was over 100 pips. I mean, it's just ludicrous for a scalper to be doing that sort of stuff. So whilst I know the stops are big on cryptos, the targets, remember this is just a 15-minute chart. You can take 100, 150 pips on a 5-minute chart. I mean, it's obscene for a scalper. So so there you go, guys. This is still pushing up. Checking all the higher time frames all the while, checking where we are in relation to new candles and candles just closed. So the last 30 minutes closed green. Just now, literally, we're a minute into it. Check the 15 minutes, see how that closed. Well, that closed with a little bit less momentum there, so that's not so clever. But if this does what I hope it does now, is close through there with a bust, I would be liking this a lot to the long side. So there you go, just another little thing I watch for. Can't, you know, I've forgotten more than most people have learnt about this stuff. So there you go, guys. Have a good Sunday. Thanks for watching.